Hello there and welcome back to Dukascopy TV. I'm Elaine Stenson and today I'm joined by Philippe Monnier, Executive Director of GGBa. Today we're going to be talking about the rising interest of Russian companies to invest in Switzerland. Philippe, GGBa is an economic development agency.
Yes, it means the Greater Geneva-Bern area. We're an economic development agency representing the 6 cantons of Western Switzerland. And our job is to attract foreign investment and to make it easy for foreign companies to open up affiliate and to be successful business-wise in Western Switzerland.
Okay, and we're seeing more and more of Russian companies investing in Switzerland, and as from this week, Swiss International Airlines will begin a new flight service between Geneva and St. Petersburg. So there's obviously a growing demand for travel between these two areas. I'll start by asking, why do Russian companies open affiliates in Switzerland?
There are many reasons. It depends on the company, of course, but basically most companies are interested in the stability of Switzerland, of the political stability, the legal stability, the social stability. They're interested in our cluster. We have a very strong cluster in life science, in nanotechnology, and in many other areas. They're interested in our know-how about intellectual property, the legal protection about intellectual property. They're interested in manufacturing in Switzerland and having the made in Switzerland, which will allow them to export to many countries in very good condition.
Okay, and what functions do these affiliates perform?
They do a number of functions. The typical company is a company which has maybe 100 employees, which has been very successful in Russia and maybe in surrounding countries. And this company is ready to expand to Western Switzerland. But they prefer to do it from Western Switzerland. They're ready to expand to Western Europe. And they prefer to do it from Europe and not from Russia. So maybe the first step will be to get the CE marking, to do some research in collaboration with Swiss universities. Then they will start doing some sale, after sale, and they may end up also manufacturing high value addition products in Switzerland.
And why do they choose Switzerland as opposed to other European countries?
For the reason I mentioned previously, for the stability, for the made in Switzerland, for the competence we have. They also enjoy the flexibility in terms of labor law. We are much more flexible than the surrounding countries.
Okay, and which countries are competing against Switzerland? Like, what other countries are they closest that?
So sometimes Russian companies are hesitating between expanding to Western Europe or to North America or to Asia. If we talk about Western Europe, we often compete with countries which are close to Russia, for instance, Finland, Eastern Europe, like the Czech Republic.
Okay. And what does it mean for Switzerland to have Russian investment?
It is very important because we are a country which has welcomed so many foreign companies. We think it is a win-win situation. It is good for those countries, for those international companies. It is also very good for local economy. We are very, very open and we welcome very much foreign investors.
Okay, so we've been talking about Russia. Is there any other countries that you've been seeing an increasing amount coming in?
We have basically a lot of interest from the BRIC countries, Brazil, Russia, India and China.
Philippe, thank you very much for coming in today and thank you for sharing your thoughts on this subject. And that's all we have time for today, but do check back for further interviews and updates. Bye for now.